So this is a phone spa. You need a power bank and the USB is USB, and you have to open it. And then once you open it, the battery will light up. So you need a power bank. And after that, you can put like anything to sanitize, like your thumb drive or something, or anything. And you would press, hold on, to focus. There's sanitize and aroma. And then you click sanitize, it'll turn blue. You gotta make sure it's closed, but it's closed. It'll turn blue. So and then it'll be like lighting up blue. So I'm gonna turn off the light. Let's see if it's working. How a blue hue. So this is off. So you can intermittently turn off really quick like that. And this is aroma. It has a like that white dot in there. Try to open it. See this thing you would put. It comes with this too in there. The essential oil, you just put like a few drops in there, like 6. It lasts like 6 hours. But I don't use it. I only use it to sanitize. And then basically the lights will just turn blue. But UV is not good for your eyes. So this thing is like used to clean your cell phone or like your keys or any objects. Trying to focus. So yeah, do you recommend it? Yeah, it's pretty good. It's better than the one I bought from Newegg. I got this from Walmart. And you can use like any power bank to light it up to sanitize like your keys, your phone, your glasses. I use this mostly to sanitize my phone like after I go out, so it's pretty useful. I recommend this if you don't have like a UV sanitation thing. I highly recommend it. The only thing I haven't did is agar test, so I don't know if it really kills germs or not, but at least I know it's blue and UV light's blue. And so far, it's been pretty good. At least it's been there for 10 minutes. And I haven't gotten sick from using my phone. So I think it works pretty well. So thanks for watching, guys. And yeah, bye.